Morning student, welcome to the virtual classes of JetKids. Now today we will see our next topic of more about HTML. In that we will see today creating list. Two types of list are there, that is ordered list and unordered list. See, ordered list means anything if you are keeping orderly, means for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this, it is an order A B C D, Roman 1 2 3 4, small a b c d, capital A B C D, all these are in order form. We can't write B C A D anything, so that's why things which are coming in an order are known as ordered form, ordered list. And unordered means any bullets are there, you are using the star sign, circle sign, square sign, all these things you can write any point, up down, no problem is there. But orderly if you are writing, first of all you have to write A, then B, then C, like this only. But unorderly you can write anything anywhere. So this is the difference between the ordered list and the unordered list. Okay, now we will see one by one the HTML program. Now I will be audible and not visual because I want to show you the slide on full screen. Okay, now we'll see, this is our HTML program. HTML head and title I have written creating list, then head, body, then OL tag. Okay, in OL tag, OL means ordered list, LI means list. OL tag, inside the OL tag you have to write the list, how many number things you have to write. For example, this is of fruits, so mango, banana, apple, grapes, oranges, and anything else if you want to write, you can write so many, a long list also. Okay, so now this is the OL, this is ordered list, and this is the ending tag of ordered list, and all these are the list, and there is no need of this start tag and end tags are there. Start tag is there, but there is no need of this end tag. Okay, so as there is no need of end tag, only you can write li like list, and inside that you can write how many fruits, whatever the number of fruits you want to write, you can write it, but it will be there in ordered form. Then OL tag will close, body tag will close, head tag will close, title tag is already closed, head and HTML only. Okay, body, after body it is not written here and we can't see, but you have to end the head tag and HTML tag also, as per all the practicals we are doing. The same way you can you have to close the tags also. Okay, so now whatever the saving is, you wanted to give the name for saving, you can give it, and save it by list.html. Like I have given list.html and I saved, then it will come in the form of Google form, and then it will run like this. And see, orderly it will come like 1 2 3 4 5. Understood? This is your ordered tag. Orderly means whatever the numbers you are writing, it will come in an ordered form. Okay, now next one is your again OL tag only, it is the ordered list only. I hope you understood this. It is an ordered form, saving like this. Write down the whatever this tags are there, program you have to write down like this, and then it will run like this. Now again we will see OL tag. In that, if you want to use the type A, means if you want to start with ABCD, so you can start it by ABCD and start equal to, in double quotation 4 is written, then you start from DEF like this, from that. And if you don't want anything, don't write anything. Okay, you can skip this, and here you can end like this. Okay, there is no need of this. If you don't want any numbering, anything, just like I have written 4, then it will start from D E F G like this. But if you don't want, just skip this and directly close it. Okay, understood now? Good. Next, again save it, and see it will start from D, E, F, G, H, like this. Okay, so if you want, but there is no need. If you want to make a list, you can start the list from A only. Don't write then start equal to like this. There is no need of writing those things. It will save like this. See, for file for ordered list also you can choose the type. If you want Roman I, if you want Roman 1 2 3 4, if you want ABCD, if you want capital or small ABCD, if you want 1 2 3, you can use anything. Okay, now we will see to UL. UL means your UL means unordered list. Okay, so HTML head, title, head close, title close, body tag, UL. In UL I have written fruits, means unordered list fruits. So it will default whatever the sign is there. Default sign, whatever the default sign is present, it will show you the default sign only. Okay, means default any type of bullets means star sign, circle sign, circle with black colored, or square sign, anything. All these things are your UL. These all these things are your bullets and numbering. Okay, now if you're writing everything, write down each and everything properly, and after that you have to close down the HTML tag also. Okay, body tag is closed, head tag is also closed, so that is why HTML tag only remain. Now see, default is this circle. Okay, a dot means black dot, it is your default bullet. Got it? Fruits is the, it was just like heading fruits, mango, banana, apple, grapes, oranges, whatever the pattern you have written, it will come same way. Okay, now again here also you can choose in UL also, means unordered list also, you can choose the type. If you are writing type equal to double quotation circle, it will come, the bullets will be in circle form. If you are writing square, bullets will come in square form. If you are writing star, it will come like in star, means any here also in unordered list you can choose your pattern of bullets and numbering. Okay, choose anything. For example, I will write here, I have written circle, then you can write here like square, disc, star, anything you can choose and you can write here, and these remaining things are the same, so there is no problem in the remaining things. Here also li means list, ul means unordered list, and type you can select by yourself. Okay, now see, circle means it will show you this type of circle. Again, if you are writing disc, it will change the bullet, star will change the bullet, square will change the bullet. All these bullets are changed depending on the type you are choosing. Okay, see, type you have to write like this, and this is your practical of unordered and ordered list. Hyperlink, it needs internet also connection, so that's why I'm not means I'm not taking that topic. Once I will, before the ending the chapter, I will try to explain you that also. Okay, so because it is not possible to see all these things, means practical we are not doing face to face, that's why I can't show you those things, but these things you can do perfectly at home if you have computer. Okay, now once again, if you want, I will explain you all these things. As today I have taken only two topics, ordered list and unordered list, so you have to go through the ordered and unordered list. In my next topic I will take the table topic. I will take the table topic. In that I will explain you how to draw a table on in HTML, or we can say on web page. If you want to draw a table, you can draw table also. Okay, so now if you want, note down everything, type here, type I have written here, nothing is written here, also type I have given for OL and for UL also. So for both the things you have to note down the type. Type equal to, in double quotation you have to write down the things. Okay, so I hope you understood everything properly. Thank you so much for listening everything, and I hope you will write everything properly, and you will note down everything properly and do the practicals. All the rest. Thank you.